Florida setting a new pandemic first today, becoming the first state to recommend against the COVID-19 vaccine. The announcement comes from Florida's Surgeon General, Dr. Joseph Ladapo, along with Governor Ron DeSantis.
The two met today to, quote, close the curtain on COVID theaters, what they say, discussing the end of lockdowns and mandates. Now, since we sent you this push alert this afternoon, we have heard their announcement that many people think is just shocking. Digital reporter Travis Gibson has been watching this roundtable event that occurred today. So, Travis, the state's highest medical advisor is recommending that parents do not vaccinate their children under the age of 5.
Yeah, that's right, Tariq. And the Surgeon General waited until the very end of the 2-hour-long meeting to drop that announcement, the latest in Florida going directly against the CDC.
A surprising announcement by Florida's Surgeon General this morning.
The Florida Department of Health is going to be the first state to officially recommend against the COVID-19 vaccines for healthy children.
That contradicts the advice from the CDC that says all children 5 years old and older should get vaccinated to keep them from getting seriously ill. During the roundtable in West Palm Beach, Dr. Joseph Ladapo and Governor Ron DeSantis accused politicians and, quote, the medical establishment of ignoring data and stoking fear when pushing for lockdowns and vaccines.
Yeah, I think what we've seen over the last 2 years is a gap between the overarching narrative, a gap between the Faucian pronouncements of what needed to be done, and then the actual data that supported or did not support those policies.
Suffering is terrible. We cannot end it all, but we can't use that as an excuse for terrible, harmful policies, which many have acknowledged, have noted today, were the certain consequence of many of the choices we've made, particularly with kids.
Dr. Mobeen Rathor, a pediatric infectious disease specialist in Jacksonville, said almost all credible organizations recommend that children 5 years and older be vaccinated, adding in a statement, COVID vaccines are safe and effective in preventing severe disease and death. One must follow the science and evidence. Current scientific evidence clearly supports vaccination of all eligible individuals, including children.
The White House criticized Florida's new policy this afternoon, with a spokesperson saying it is, quote, deeply disturbing that there are politicians peddling conspiracy theories out there, end quote. The spokesperson went on to say that the safety of the vaccines has been weighed by the FDA and the CDC. Back to you.
Travis, thank you.